So how do you allow third-party cookies on the iPad? Let's talk about it and let's get started. If you are new to Foxtecc, make sure you are subscribed because I just don't want you to miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so in order to allow the cookies, make sure you go to your settings of the iPad where at the bottom of the list on the main menu, we have the apps section. From there, look up the Safari as usual. And at the bottom of the Safari settings, which are pretty extensive, well, we have the advanced section. And part of the advanced section, we have a toggle for blocking all cookies. So it is right there, so we can literally block those. So to reverse it, make sure it's not selected, right? So when you don't have it selected, it will allow all, even third-party cookies on the Safari web browser. So this is how you can do this. Of course, if you are using other third-party browser apps, for example, Chrome or I don't know, like Orion browser, whatever, right? Those apps have their own dedicated settings within the app as well. So if you want to adjust it for those apps, you have to go through that settings page and find the website or browsing settings and perhaps turn it on right there. But that would be about it from me. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials as well.